As against engineering education, which is of 4 years, architecture education is of 5 years. It's a creative field, and it takes time to set up its own point of view. So every school has its own school of thought, and that way a graduate from a school has its own definition. I mean, the graduate from ideas would have a different kind of approach towards his life. So if in case you look at for the last 10 years, the alumni which has passed out, they have gone into various kind of fields. Apart from construction industry, they also gone into set designs, vehicle designs, and so on and so forth. Having said that, generally parents think that they compare architecture education with engineering education, specifically IT or data sciences, wherein they feel that their ward is going to get good money, good salary, and a 4-year course. Yes, agreed. I mean, these are the perks which we get, but the shelf value of a IT profession is very less. I mean, it could be hardly 5 to 6 years. After 6 years, there are always a possibility of layoffs. Those who don't perform, they are kicked off. Very few go on to the higher position, and the graph of performance goes on decreasing as the age increases. As against in architecture, the start is very slow, but you go on building your own credential over a period of time, and that goes on accumulating. You know, 5 years down the line, the architect really performs fantastically, and he could go on and on. I mean, the graph actually goes on completely inverse, as against an IT profession wherein he could just raise up and then go down like that. But architecture goes gradually up, and it goes on and on. I mean, an architect could function to the age of 70, 80, like that. Also, if in case you look at our society or the civilization, हम लोग बोलते हैं कि रोटी कपड़ा और मकान ये 3 बेसिक चीजें हैं, उसमें से ये मकान को बेसिकली एड्रेस करता है, विच इज अ ट्रेडिशनल ब्रांच, एंड इसके रिक्वायरमेंट कम नहीं होने वाले. आई मीन, यू वुड नीड आर्किटेक्ट्स. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू रिड्यूस बिकॉज housing requirement, infrastructure requirement, and given the kind of scenario which we have with the stable government in India, the requirement for architect is going to really. Having said that, the biggest advantage an architect gets is he can start his startup without any investment. I mean, what investment he has is skill. He's going to sell his skill. As against a doctor, for that matter, he needs to spend around 10 years into his profession. And after that also, with super specialization, his post-graduation, he would conservatively invest around 5 to 6 crores to establish an hospital and the equipment base, right? Conversely, an architect, if in case graduates after 5 years, does a post-graduation from India or from outside, spending around, say, roughly 1.5 crores, could earn like anything. The investment is very low. He just need a drawing board and table, and he starts off. Number two, as against the professions from IT and data sciences, wherein they'll have to move to a larger city, a metro city, either to Bangalore or to Pune or to Mumbai or to Ahmedabad or Delhi. In our case, our biggest advantage is the family background in which the student is being raised. Those are his clients, so he can safely go to his home, have a comfortable life there, and start his own practice, and goes on building. I remember one of my classmates sitting in a very small town, huge practice, earning like anything, socially stable. Conversely, our classmates who have been into data sciences, they are really struggling on this. So, one has to have a patience to establish this branch, and it really pays off over a period of time. Now, every branch has its own cycle. Obviously, during COVID, this has gone a bit low. All of them got low. But this is really rising up. And it's very promising to have a student, have a person getting graduated from architecture. Thirdly, one of the most important thing, being a creative education, the grooming which we do, this is huge amount of sense of achievement in any kind of job he does. He's not going to be disgruntled. As against an IT profession, at the evening 5 o'clock, he's disgruntled by his boss because he's going to do the same kind of routine job every day. And by the end of the day, I mean, he feels that ye kya kar raha hu main? Same data science, same accumulation of things and coming out to the same thing. As against in architecture, he has a huge amount of spectrum of creative applications. And then the kind of sense of achievement he gets, that's huge. Money happens simultaneously, money happens. But the kind of life he spends, that is really great. I mean, I've been into teaching for the last 35 years. I've not seen an architect or a student coming back to me saying कि sir अब मैं क्या करूँ, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Because there are multiple possibilities for a student to establish his own practice. And that's the biggest edge which parents have still not understood. In this case, because he is on his own, there is very less performance pressure. He would basically enjoy his work, and during this enjoyment, he his profession makes money. I remember when I graduated long back in 1996, I was in Delhi. So I suddenly felt up Delhi में नहीं रहना है, पैसे बहुत कमाता था मैं वहाँ पे तक. But then I felt like, let me go to a smaller town and came back to Nagpur. The reason being that I should have enough amount of time to have my creative outlets, to work as an architect, to work as a farmer, to do wildlife photography, to write poems, So these kind of possibilities, IT profession or other professions don't have. So the grooming which happens in architecture education, that is something which many people